Hey everyone, this is Chinmay back again, and I know this is a very abrupt starting of the first devlog video of my dream project. So I just finished my work, and now I'm going to work on my dream project, on which I'm working since last almost a month, and now finally I think that I should document the process and put it online so everybody can know, everybody can understand whatever I'm doing, how I'm doing. So basically, this is not going to be going to as of now. This is not going to be a business or a startup, but this is my dream project, which I found recently, and now I want to build it. So I'm thinking that I should document the process, and so I will try to put some videos on it. So if I come to the point directly today, what I want to do today, I'm doing it in Kotlin, completely from scratch, like the backend and the front end on nextjs. So I did the backend already, it is a microservice based thing. So I started backend as microservice using Kotlin and Spring Boot MVC. Then I switched to Kotlin Ktor, but now I finally, as a final decision, I just want to switch from Ktor to Spring Boot Webflux reactive programming. So my new current task is to move everything from Ktor to Spring Boot Webflux, and because I structured the project, I think, in a real lengthy production grade way, so it is being difficult for me to migrate it from Ktor to Spring Boot Webflux. But yeah, that's my next task. So I'm going to do that. So basically, if I show you what I need to do actually, so it is little bit. Okay, so here if you see, I'm having, so this is the project which I need to migrate from starting. Okay, so this is the structure which I need to migrate, and yeah, I'm working on it. So that's the thing. I'm working right now, and I will try to keep updating about it, how much it's completed and what I'm doing as a task. So yeah, I think I would love to share the updates process, and I think in 2025 January I will try to make it open source, so you can put some contribution if you want. So yeah, that's the plan till now. So yeah, let's work on it, and let me try to migrate it from Ktor to Spring Boot Webflux as much as I can. And in the next part of this same video, I will try to explain why I decided to migrate from Ktor to Spring Boot Webflux. Hey everyone, this is Chinmay back again, and as I told you that I'm just trying to migrate my microservice from Ktor to Spring Boot Webflux, and I've been doing that since evening, since 7 p.m. from Japan time, and it's almost 12 a.m. I successfully completed successfully completed most of the migration part, but now when I'm testing, my microservice is giving me so many errors. The error which I am getting right now. It is unimplemented method not found gRPC error. Like, it seems that I think that I have the implementation on server side, and like server side gRPC and on the client side gRPC, but when I'm trying to make a request from client to the server is sending an error that the method is not implemented, and I don't know why. I checked it twice, but it is just saying that the method is not implemented. And I don't know, I'm just sleepy. Last night I slept around 2:30 a.m. and today I woke up around 7:30, and since then I'm working and it's not working at all. Let me show you like the changes I've made. There are so many changes I made today. If you can see, if I can, okay, where's my cursor? If I can see you this, like, these are the changes. Literally, these are changes I made today. On the like client side, 34 files, and on the server side, I did again 34 files here as well. Nothing is working. This error is very much constant, not going away. I don't know how I can solve it, but yeah, I'm just keep trying, and I think now I'm just going to sleep because I'm so much tired, and I will try to do it tomorrow for sure. So yeah, that's the update for today, and this is this video is going to be the devlog 1 of my dream project, building together. So yeah, I'll see you in the next part of the like the first video and this video, it is a different part of a single video. So tomorrow I'll give you update that did I solve it or not. I don't know, it's annoying, and I think my mind is not working because I'm working since morning. So now my mind is like, it's not working at all. So maybe maybe it is a very छोटा सा error, but मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है अभी. Maybe I'm just missing, it's just I'm just missing it out again and again. Basically when you work more than 12 hours, your mind stop working. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow in the next part of this video. The next part of devlog 1. So yeah, it is still devlog 1. See you. Good night. Hey everyone, good morning. Last night, as I said, that I'll try to sleep after getting tired from that debugging, but I couldn't sleep because I just wanted to solve that error. So I tried again, but I was not able to solve that. Anyways, I think Japan, I just try to wake up, it doesn't matter at what time I slept last night, but I always try to wake up around 7:30 if I can. So yeah, I woke up and now I just started my work at my office, and when I start my work for my office, I just on daily basis I check my emails and I check Slack, if there is anything important for me or for the team, and then I respond to the things accordingly. That's a daily routine, working as a SDE in Japan for a bank. So I did that. So now let's make a coffee for me, and then I will tell you what was the issue, or what is the issue with my gRPC code which I'm building a microservice for my dream project. I don't know what is the issue, because I think that I have implemented like a get events method on the server side, but my clients, like whenever I'm trying to calling it from the client side, it is saying that the method is not implemented. I don't know the issue. I mean, but yeah, last night because I was very tired, so maybe that was the reason that my brain was not working. So now I think because now like I slept for almost like 5.5 hours, so now I think my mind will work for sure. So first let's have a coffee. Everyone, yeah, my coffee is ready, so let's have it. And then I think I have meetings today, like let me check my calendars, and yeah, I have a meeting at 10 and then 11. Like it's an office meeting, not my meeting, like not my dream project meeting, but a meeting for my office. So yeah, I will do my work and then I'll see you after work. Hey everyone, this is Chinmay back again, and this is a quick update on the migration which I was trying to do since last night. By the way, like I just finished my work and I tried to do that migration and it was full of error, and like last night as well, and today also it took me like almost 2 hours to solve that gRPC error, and now finally it has been solved. And in the next update I will try to show you the demonstration, like what I was working and what type of error like you might encounter while working with gRPC, and they are very annoying. So right now I'm just having my dinner after my work, and then I have to go out, and then I'll come back, and then I will again start working on that microservice my dream project, basically. Like let's stop calling it dream project again and again, but yeah, so like it has a name, and the name is Polar Meat, so I call it Polar Meat. So Polar Meat is the name of my project. So yeah, so basically like till now I've just done the migration from Ktor to Webflux successfully, and now onwards we will start managing our Jira issues, and we'll think about like what the next feature I want to add to that like backend basically. And yeah, I will keep you updated throughout the journey. So yeah, let me show you what I am having right now. As I'm in Japan, so I am having this is raw fish, and this is the famous Japanese wasabi, and this is shoyu, it's like soy sauce, and yeah, a beer. And here this is like going on. So today I decided to have raw fish and chicken. So in Japan, like on daily basis, like except Tuesday, this is this is what I like to eat. It's healthy, it's quick and fast and easy, so like it saves a lot of time for me because I don't have much time to cook. Yeah, it's ready. So yeah, I'll see you later. Hi everyone, this is Chilna back again, and this is going to be the last clip of the first devlog video about my dream project. And now let's stop calling it dream project. And I think in the previous clip I told you the name of my project, which is Polar Meat. So basically what I'm doing is like I'm building Polar Meat, and I decided to document the whole series as I told you earlier. So like now onwards I will try to upload videos regularly about this project. Like I upload other videos, but this series I will try to continue this series as much as I can, because I need help. I need like community support, and I want to build a community specifically for this project, because I'm just planning to open source it in next 6 months. And if you are interested like in building highly scalable and efficient backends from scratch on microservice architecture, then this series is for you. Initially I decided to keep the project private and the repository too, but like the repository will be private for the next 6 months, I think. But so like once I will decide to make it open source, I will make it public, and then and that time you can see the code and like can try to contribute if you can. So like if you're really interested in gRPC, microservice intercommunication, and Redis, Docker, Kafka, and like working with OAuth or like Google Cloud, Kubernetes, everything like which you can think of as a backend engineer, apart from the statistics or the metrics, because I'm not planning to do that now. Like that I'll be doing like once it will be ready to use, at least like for testing purposes. And this whole for this my for the Polar Meat project, I decided to write everything with test. So it is going to be a TDD, test driven development. And you know what, like this series or like such devlogs will help you a lot to think, like because like I will be letting you know like how you think about a feature, and how you plan a feature, and how you decide, and then like sometimes how you draw everything, like being a backend engineer, like how you design databases, architecture, and how you make decisions like add this or remove that. So basically you will be watching someone writing an AI SaaS product completely from scratch. And like all I can tell you about the project right now is that I'm going to build an AI SaaS product, and it is one of its kind in whole world right now. As per my knowledge, there is no other product available like this. Like once it is done, it can be a life-changing or a once in a lifetime kind of experience as an AI SaaS product, because like in short I can tell you I'm building something which can save your time like hell to manage your meetings. I know like there are a lot of projects, a lot of softwares or application which try to help you to manage, to schedule your meetings, but this is insane. This is something else. This is not to manage your meetings. This is not to give you a reminder, and this is not to even like find a spot in your calendar so you can book a meeting. This is something else. This is way more ahead than all these things. So I think in the devlog number 2 or 3 I will try to explain you the whole idea, but right now this is all I can say. And today was very hectic. I finished my work, I had my dinner as you can see in the previous clip, and then I went out and I just arrived at home and I did decided to shoot the last clip of the devlog one, because I just want to upload it as early as I can. So that's all. And like one thing, like working alone on this project, I'm trying to keep everything as production level as I can. So I'm using Jira and Confluence. Like I'm not using Notion, which I can for free, but I'm not using Notion. I'm using Confluence, and then I'm using Jira to manage my issues, to track the progress, to create GitHub branches and commits and everything. And then I'm using CI/CD pipelines, and I'm planning, like right now I'm not having any development environment and any staging one and the pseudo one, but in future there will be like a local development environment, then the stage, then the dev, then staging, and then pseudo, and then finally the production. So I think 4 to 5 levels like will be there, like before a final deployment. I mean, like that's how things work, like in industry. So I will also try to add like right now what I'm saying will happen, I think almost after a year, not now, because, but yeah, after a year, maybe like in next 8-9 months, I will try to, like with your help, if you are willing to contribute, I would like to add shadow testing. If you don't know what is shadow testing, yeah, you can search for it on Google. It is something really interesting and helpful for like testing your application on real-time data, on real matrices. So like all these things basically I will try to document through the process. So I think on YouTube this is a one of its kind this is going to be one of its kind series where you will be watching someone building everything from scratch, from zero, to a highly production level, highly scalable AI SaaS product, initially built by a single person and then maybe like with community support. And this is not a very easy project, so if you try to contribute to this project, you can mention that you are contributed to some open source project, and I will try to get stars on this project. I will try to make it as good as I can. I will try to document everything, and yeah, that's all I'm doing. Like right now I can show you I have done 2 services, because it is a microservice based architecture. Right now I have done two services. The first is like authentication and an API gateway, and the second is to deal with Google services like contacts, calendar, emails and all. So if I try to show you that looks like this. I don't know why I'm using gimbal, but yeah, it's fine. So right now this is the project, and this is my authentication services. You can see the folder structure is huge, and the only thing it does just to make you, just allow you to authenticate something. And then if I open another project, which will be okay, this one. This is the another microservice which is right now responsible to give responses to a user based upon the like few conditions, if you are trying to access the emails, contacts, or like whatever. So this is a service 2 and this is a service 1, and here I am using I can show you, I am using Jira to manage issues and my project. Jira, and here are the issues and everything. So like that's how I'm working right now with this. Yeah, so yeah, after this clip I'm just going to upload this on YouTube, so you can watch it there, and I hope that the devlog 2nd will come soon. Thank you.